Hi, everybody. This is Reaper's channel with Lone Sport. Of course, your favorite Reaper. And fuck you. Man. I don't need this shit from you. I owed you. Fine. Alright, fine. Fine, faggot. Of course, we're here with Nathan, and what? You want to start something? Come here.
Alright, I need to address something. Cody, you can't hear our Reaper friend because he can't figure out how to get his headset to work.
Because he's retarded.
And play through properly. You're a nerd. So yeah, if we're randomly yelling at nothing, we're probably yelling at Reaper. Or
most
we're
likely,
just crazy.
because he doesn't know how to shut the fuck up. Did you just call me a prostitute? I happen to be a boy this time, so shut the fuck up.
A male prostitute.
Much better. Really, Cody? Really?
Not if it's a
Alright,
three-way.
fine. Nathan's turn to pick the map, so because I picked it last time, I believe.
Let's do.
I can't hear you, Cody, because you roboted your mic this time. Oh yeah. Well, then I guess I'll let Nathan pick because he has a favorite, don't you, Nathan?
Do the one right after the random. Yes.
You want to go to Mexico? Because I think
I do want to go to Mexico.
Island Grande. Oh God,
Nailed
fuck
it.
you,
Let's
Cody.
do it.
Fuck you with the nightmare and all this bullshit. All right, so if it's possible, just shut up. So if it's possible, me and Nathan will try to tell you what NSR is saying. So, well, I feel like.
Or we could just let's let the viewer use their imagination.
Imagine it. They have none. You know, people. Do I look sexy?
You look like a redheaded emo. Unless that's Cody.
Oh, come on! I never get the good characters. It sucks. Screw you. Screw you guys. Come on, I gotta sell you the white dope.
Oh, you're that Subway guy.
Isn't this what this game is called? White dope? Red dope? Aw.
Dragon, you're that Subway guy.
Wow, Nathan, you went from Velma to full-on emo.
Velma went through some hard times with Scooby. Yeah.
Does that mean that means instead of Scooby-Doo, does she say, Dooby Dooby Doo, where are you? I need to smoke some doo.
Wasted out of her fucking mind. Oh.
Yay!
I like how that scared me and not the monster.
Oh, hello. Like, I'm surprised he's not scared me now. Oh, he's still coming for us. So apparently I'm the Scooby-Doo's local drug dealer because I just realized that NSR is Shaggy and
with a lot of Subway sandwiches.
I need the munchies, man. The munchies.
That roast beef.
The beast. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say it. Oh my God, he's right behind me.
A bong.
Guys, I don't mean to alarm you. Shut up.
Damn straight.
I don't mean to alarm you, but he's like right behind me, like clutching my. He's clutching my smoking butt cheeks, and by smoking I mean doobie.
Dragon. Sacrifice yourself for us. Throw yourself into
He's right behind you, Nathan. I wouldn't be talking.
Oh. What?
Oh my god, he just vanished.
Did you just request me to violate the monster? With my emo knives and whatnot?
I just realized something that we just passed the tape, and the tape is behind us where the monster is. No. Well, of course your character sucks, but it's over here. Like, I only recognize the... Shut up. I'm going to be crooked, guys. Why are you going to make fun of me?
When the term emo becomes a racist term, we can't use it anymore.
Because emo is totally going to be a racist term.
I could feel it coming. Hey! No!
It's dangerous to go alone. Where did you guys go? Where did you guys go?
We ditch him.
Why did you ditch me? I am at the sculptures. Stop ditching me, you assholes. I'm the only guy who delivers you your cocaine and you ditch me? Well, it's not like they're gonna hear you, so I had to... Oh, God, hello.
No!
I did...
He's over there.
Oh, look, a cave. Yay!
I stepped in
Road
bad
trip.
shit.
You buy 2 tapes. The right's always right.
That's great logic you're using there. Glad to have you on my team.
I wish Velma was as smart as she used to be until she did heroin.
She's a burnout now.
Velma can't solve shit.
Holy crap. He's
oh
like
yeah,
leaning
isn't
back.
there like a freaking tape on his belly or some shit?
Why you there? Nope. He was right behind. Wait a minute.
Where are you? I think he's like they're having some serious masturbation. Dude, they got some abs. Oh god! Oh god! Bye, Nathan.
What? These statues look like a monster.
They're right behind you. Oh my god. Jeez. Hi, how are you?
I think I
I'm
saw
just
a leg.
cleaning
No
your
leg.
statues off.
Whee! Hey,
Nope.
I ain't doing that. Not today. Oh, thank God, a rock.
Can you guys stop running away from me? I thought you loved me.
Oh, we're banding. Oh, whoa. Hey, bud. How are you doing? He's in the forest. Do not look to the right. I think, yeah, right.
Oh, maybe he's trying to reach for the moon. It's like Majora's Mask, except Earth is trying to destroy the moon.
Well, he's obviously had not made much progress from the ground to the moon.
No, he has.
No.
Well, it's not like the moon made much progress. It took like 300 days or some shit like that.
He's got a good 20 feet going. Oh. No,
the monster kind of like used pasty glue, and just like glued the
fucking
leaves
Dutch.
to the
They're in South America now. What the hell?
The Dutch. Are you? Oh God!
Oh God!
Why? Screw you, Dutch!
I thought it was Cody.
The Dutch killed me. Okay.
You have manly screams like, oh God!
Alright, that's it.
That's spiders in my...
This is going to be the Dutch killed me. Well, good. That 3 killed me. Thanks. Yeah, of course. I just said that. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. The Dutch killed me, and fuck you, the Dutch. Screw you.
Did they strap your body to like one of the little blades of the windmill? Now you're just spinning around forever.
Actually, they strapped me to the door and they let the thing decapitate me.
What? Ghost balls.
Why are you looking at me?
That's not very polite, man. You just called his...
That was great.
Whoa!
I am your drug dealer. I don't like it. Well, it doesn't mean I can't live.
Yeah, dragon.
I'm a
He's
ghost.
right behind you.
Just because I'm
guys,
dead
the
doesn't
totems
mean I
are
can't
right.
live.
Oh!
No, Nathan!
Yeah, you're out.
Really? You killed yourself?
Oh, it's only 8
He
minutes.
He must really wanted Velma's doobie, and then after he got it, he lost his doobie, he went to Shaggy.
Emo Velma. Emo Velma.
Alright, considering how this wasn't that funny, how about we just do Minecraft or something like that?
Well,
I just
our
kinda,
main goal,
lagged
which
out.
we never told you, was to make a large dong out of the little lines you see. And I'm sorry, I'm just picturing that in my mind. We accidentally drew a dong on a map.
Wait, we actually drew a dick on the map?
Oh god, that'd be brilliant. No.
We were trying to.
You split up from us. Our
And
poor
of course,
drug
that's
dealer
where I
got
die. I die where the freaking...
I always say... What did we draw?
Kill you.
This would be like that one game where you guess what the person is drawing. I don't think these
That doesn't
are
make any
supposed
sense.
to be balls. No, it looks like it went through some trauma.
We're gonna... How about if we just do some Minecraft, since this is obviously getting nowhere.
Oh, he already
Why-
left. He did stuff. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. This was a stupid thing that we did.
What was that? That was like the dumbest outro ever. Da-da-da-da-da. We decided to do something stupid, and this is our outcome.
Okay,
I don't know
here.
what is your outro supposed to be, Jesus?
Alright, here.
Alright, that was White Noise Online with me, Lone and Dragon.
And they all suck.
And we would love to do this again because the dragon's little pansy screams.
Fuck you.
Have a good day.
Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Will you come home?